Vishaka, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to get this look using my high-end products. So I have prepped my skin already. So without any further delay, let's start this look. Now I will apply primer, especially around this area and on my nose because I have open pores.
I'm gonna use mattifying primer from Too Faced.
So I have taken tiny bit amount and I'm going to apply to cover open pores on my face.
Here I'm using CC cream from It Cosmetics, which gives a medium to full coverage.
I just use this flat brush to spread the CC cream in the same proportion all over my face. So as you can see, I have spreaded the CC cream all over my face including neck.
Now I'll blend it using Beauty Blender.
This step is time taking, but the more you will blend, the less your makeup will crack. Do not forget to cover your hairline. Also cover your neck. Rest amount which is left on my sponge, I will apply on the upper lid of my eyes. The base is ready. Now I'm going to cover my fine lines and spot using concealer.
This is LA Pro Girl Concealer. I apply it at the inner corner and outer corner. And I will blend it with Beauty Blender.
Rest of the amount I will apply on the upper lid.
I also cover area near my nose and lips.
So now I will bake my under eyes using translucent powder. So baking actually helps to set your makeup, your base.
The translucent powder I'm using is from Sephora.
Now I will apply this translucent powder all around my face because I have oily skin.
It makes my makeup long lasting.
I am applying extra translucent powder under my eyes so that it will not make creases. The extra amount I am going to dust off after some time. So for my eyes I am going to mix match two eyeshadow palettes. One is from Estee Lauder and another one is from Clinique. They both have very good nude colors.
I'm gonna prep the base of my eye using this beige color. Now I will use this dark brown color to define creases of my eyes. Using this grey shadow, I will draw the outer creases. Make sure you are dusting off the extra product. Via blending brush, I will soften the creases. You want to make sure you are blending it very well. Now I will apply this creamish color in the inner corner of my eyes. I will use this shimmery bronze color at the middle of my eyelid. Finally, I will blend all the layers of eyeshadows which I applied using blending brush. To complete the eye makeup, I will apply the same dark brown color on my lower lash line. And then I will soften the creases using the beige color. I will highlight my inner corners using this white shimmery eyeshadow. Using this Persian rose metallic glitter, eyeshadow from Touch in Soul. I'm gonna highlight the middle of my eyelids. It gives beautiful rosy shimmery effect on my eyes. I will apply thin line of this tattoo eyeliner from Sephora. To get the good texture of the lashes, I'm gonna curl them. Using this Dior High Volume Mascara, I'm going to voluminize the eyelashes. Make sure you are getting rid of extra product of the brush. To intensify my eye makeup, I'm gonna use false eyelashes from Nykaa, and these lashes gives me natural volume and length. I will apply some mascara to blend them with my natural eyelashes. I'm using this Wet n Wild white kohl pencil to make look my eyes open and big. Using Anastasia Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil, I'm going to fill the gaps in my eyebrows. Rather drawing the line, I will give the nice strokes, especially in the inner sections. And using a spoolie brush, I will brush off the extra product. For my lips, I'm gonna use this soft natural pink shade from Milk Makeup. This is Lip and Cheek 2-in-1 stick. The same color I apply on the apple of my cheek and on the bridge of my nose and blend it. I'm also applying this beautiful shimmery peachish blusher from NARS to get the sun-kissed effect. I'm gonna use the same highlighter from Clinique palette to highlight my eyebrow bone, cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, tip of chin and the forehead. And this beautiful day look is ready. For my evening look, I'm gonna use this beautiful wine or raspberry shade from Kylie Cosmetics. The shade name is Hollyberry. I'm gonna fill my lips using the same lip liner, and then I will apply the coat of matte lipstick from the same Hollyberry shade from Kylie Cosmetics. And this beautiful evening look is ready.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do let me know if you like this look and share it with your friends and family member. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for my further videos, and stay safe at your home.